Mom can't say no for a whole day.
What?
Chocolate! Can we go to Lagoon?
All right, good morning, guys. So EB, guess what? I had a good idea. Maybe it's a bad idea, but I was thinking, what if we went all day where Mom couldn't say no? You guys want to try that today?
Yeah!
EB does. Maybe we should go tell Mom what we're doing.
Yeah.
So, I came up with a good idea. Maybe it's a bad idea. Tell her what we're doing, Daisy.
What are you gonna do? Mom can't say no for a whole day.
What?
That's what we're doing. Mom,
Oh, I can't hear you. What?
can we have ice cream for breakfast? Yeah!
Can't say no.
Yes!
Yes! Ice cream for breakfast!
I don't want it. You go ahead, Daisy. I'm gonna stay healthy.
Are you sure, Daisy?
Yeah.
Ice cream for breakfast?
Yeah.
Oh, look what you've done to your sister.
Chocolate! I think today is gonna be a great day. Hey, Mom,
Yeah?
can we go to Lagoon? Yeah! Woo! Yay, 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 yay!
You know what? Yes, yes, yes. That
Whoa.
actually sounds fun. We're going to
What did you
Lagoon.
just say? He's excited about it. I guess I can't say no to that. So they know what Lagoon is. All
That's
right.
what fun is.
It feels good saying yes, doesn't
It
it?
does.
Sometimes it feels
I
good.
was like, oh, Lagoon, and then I was like, yeah, Lagoon, let's go. Get your shoes on.
Okay.
Yeah! I want to
Guess I'll cancel all the things I had planned. Editing. Summertime, YOLO.
Apparently this thing going on where my mom can't say no. That'll be like the most fun thing ever.
Oh, no, Dave.
Can I send this out for breakfast?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, load them up, move them out, get that baby in her chair.
Mom,
What?
can I have a granola bar?
Wait, does everyone have shoes?
Yes. Yes.
We don't have granola bars.
Yeah, we do. Dad just barely bought them.
Oh, I have to say yes. 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 Yeah, 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 yes.
I see it, I see it, I really see it, I see it, I see it. Oh, these locals are so fun. Hey, babe, look at that.
That's the Big Daddy. What's that one called? Say the big one? Cannibal, because it eats you alive. Okay, one for Daisy. Aren't you glad Mom said yes? And a yes. And a yes. Ender, come on, buddy. Keep up.
All right, where to first, kids? Let's walk a little bit and get in the place.
Can we go on the biggest and scariest ride first?
Yes. Can you go with me?
Oh yeah, let's go. Cannibal it is. Oh, Zade, sorry buddy. You got a no answer. Cannibals temporarily closed. But you know, I was thinking there's that huge big swing ride that goes crazy, you know? I think Mom might wanna go on that with you.
Can we go on that ride right there?
Oh, here's the thing. I thought like, oh, all my prayers have been answered because the cannibal is closed. But then you found another ride.
You'll do fine.
Yes,
Good luck.
let's go.
Ender, hey buddy!
Evie just asked to go on a ride all by herself, so I had to say yes. Baby girl, Evie! Evie, you want to go again? Give me 5. You want to go again? Yeah. Okay. You got wet? Oh, that's so funny.
Jet, but then there was like, it was like one in the middle and then 2 above, so you had to like, when you were through, it was
Did Zade do a good job driving? Uh-oh, so we found Dad, and I still have a question.
Mom, can we go on prizes now?
I can't promise you prizes, but I will say yes.
Can we go to the store?
We will try. What? Let's go play games. Ambree asked first.
Okay, Ambree, what are you thinking? You wanna try this one? You throw it in there, hands cannot extend, counter, or win is void.
5 balls for $2, 50 balls for $5, or the bucket of them is for $10. Can I do the bucket?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I get a bucket too?
Yes. Oh.
Can I do the bucket?
Yes.
Everybody's doing a bucket,
And they're
wow.
wanting a bucket too.
All right. Come on, Zade, get it in there. I'll show you how to do it. Watch this. Boom. Oh. How's it feeling, Ambree?
I got a blue one.
You got a blue one? Oh, man. Andrew, you got one?
And a blue one.
Nice.
And you're gonna keep one.
Oh, and the bucket too. Tell Mama thanks for saying yes.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh, it hurts me. It hurts me so bad.
Hashtag worth it.
I got microphone.
Is that your stand, PP? Do bumps. Fist bump. You don't want to drive? You want me to drive?
Yes.
Okay, is this an octopus ride?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Here we go. Evie, here we go. We're going higher. Is this crazy? Hold on. Oh, it got us, Evie. Oh, man, I think you made it. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
So scared. I'm so dizzy. I looked backwards to check on the girls. Bad plan.
Okay, here we go. Let's go. Okay, we're in, EB. You ready for this? Thumbs up. Oh. Whoa. Was that crazy? Here we go again. Woo. Hands up.
Alright, the kids just asked me if we can go on Wicked. I've never been on it, so I'm gonna say yes. Let's go.
Okay, have
Come
fun,
on.
guys.
Good luck having the kids, the two littles. I kind of wish I was doing his job. Let's go.
I am terrified. I am afraid of heights, so this will be scary.
coasters I've ever been on.
I'm so glad it went off.
I could just fall asleep on this ride. This is just fun.
Can we do face paintings?
Yeah. You can ride this one?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
Oh, you're tall
one.
enough. Give me a kiss so I can go on the ride. Now I can go.
How many rides?
Edie, are you sure about this ride?
Yes.
I feel like I have to hold you. Do I have to hold you?
Yes.
Hold on tight right here. Yeah. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, we spin. That's fine.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Yeah. Same. What do you got there? You happy now? Ender, how do you feel? That better? Oh, Daisy. That was delicious.
Wanna bite, Mom?
Yeah.
Mom, can we take Dad on a few rides?
Yeah. I get to stay with. That's fine. I said yes.
Daisy was a little nervous. We did the single riders line. She went by herself. But there she is. Come here, Daisy. How was it? You were ready to cry before it started. Was it okay? It wasn't so bad, right? Did you have fun? I was a little freaked out, I'm not gonna lie.
It's really tight on the legs.
Tight on the legs, huh?
It hurts so much.
We went upside down. It was going slow, so it was just like.
Oh, it just like hangs you there.
On the train ride?
Yeah. Oh yeah, train ride for Evie. Okay, Evie, you ready for a train ride? Hang on to your hat, there might be a llama. It's fun going on rides that have been here forever. Like this is one of them that it's like.
This when I was Evie's age.
Yeah, I don't remember coming here when I was a little kid, but as far back as I can remember, whenever I came, we went on the train ride. Okay, this is when we go upside down. Get ready, Ender.
We don't even go upside down.
I don't know. Evie, get ready. It's gonna be crazy. Thumbs up.
It's so cute.
It's right there.
Look at the other one. Yeah.
Oh, that's the mama. See the mama up there sleeping? Ender, are they black with white stripes or white with black stripes?
Black with white stripes.
It was a cougar.
It's only black.
It's only black?
The black with white stripes.
I don't know. I didn't know white with black stripes. It's a reindeer, huh? You see the camels?
Camels.
Yeah. And look at that llama.
Did you see the jackalope?
What's that?
What's that? It's a leaf. Did you want to feed it to the jackalope? Okay, say.
Deer.
Oh dear. Llama. Official llama sighting.
It's a llama. It's a llama.
White llama.
Mom, can we get one of those cups?
What's the answer?
Yes.
All right. Yes, it is.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, Evie. Evie, you want to go on the bad guy ride?
Yeah. It's a bad guy.
It's a bad guy, huh? Gary?
Evie said, I'm gonna go on the bad guy ride. I remember being so scared of this ride when I was
This ride's
like
creepy.
this age, coming here. And then there's not even scared.
I'm not scared. I'm scared.
Maybe I was a wolf.
I'm scared. I'm
You're
You
scared?
Yeah, I'm scared.
You're scared? Is that the creepy one? That's the one I used to be afraid of. It's a witch. Yep. That's the same old creepy witch that was there when I was a kid.
The giant witch has ginormous hands.
Like not proportioned correctly? Davey's worst nightmare.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Was it kind of scary? Okay, we're getting out. EB, was that a scary ride?
Yes.
What was scary on it? Did you see the bad guy?
Yes.
And the severed head?
Did you cry? Yes. Did you pee? Go back a bad guy.
Go back a bad guy?
Yeah.
Is it scary?
I want to go bad guy.
Do you like the bad guy?
Yes.
You want to give him a kiss?
Yeah.
Is, he,
I want to get a bad guy.
is that normal for a kid to be that obsessed with scary skeletons? Is this she's supposed to be like in... We gotta get her to Disneyland or something, babe. She should be wanting princesses, not skeletons.
Back away.
You want to go to
Alright.
Disneyland?
Mom, can we go into the gift shop and buy stuff?
Yes! Here's the shopping haul for
Okay,
the cannibal
shopping haul.
gift store.
Daisy, show Mama what you got. The moon. She got a pink moon star necklace.
Oh, I love it.
Okay, let's put
So
it on,
pretty.
Amy.
Let's
Ready?
see yours.
I got Daisy and me friendship necklaces.
Because you guys are sisters and best friends. I love it. Ender, what'd you get? Playing cards. These are gonna be so fun camping. I'm a model. I'm sure you've seen my work. Funny stuff. And what else did you get?
Always put. Wait, watch.
Ew. Yes, I'm gonna take Ender and Ambree over the spooky ride again because that's all they're talking about.
And
Obsessed
this time,
with it.
hey, and this time we're going to see the rat eating the stomach.
Guys. Oh no, the ride broke. Ender, we can't go now. It's broken. We can't go now.
Maybe they were just fixing it.
Maybe. Oh, Ender, it's your lucky day. It started working again. Bummer, you guys. This ride just broke again, and then the workers said this is the third time it's happened in the last 30 minutes, so we're just gonna close the ride for the night.
It's closed.
It's closed. They closed the ride 2 hours early. I think it's just having electrical problems or something. Sorry, Ender. At least you got to go once. Sorry, EB, it's broken. The back guy's broken.
Yay.
I know. You wanted to go again. Zade is being the best brother and helping get the kids on and off these rides over and over again. He's so sweet. I think I might have to go on the samurai with him once before we leave. And I don't want to. There's only 6 people on this ride. Sister mommies.
I gotta go again.
The park closes in 20 minutes. We were here literally from 30 minutes after it opened until it closed.
Can we get a full one?
You want another churro?
Huh? I do. I want one. Yes, but I do. I do. I do.
Gosh, okay. That was weird. All right, everybody's got a churro. Pick the size of your head. All right, you guys, the park is closed. It's all 10 o'clock at night. We are heading home. Hallelujah. I made it through the day of saying yes. And guess what? We had a ton of fun. That was awesome. Nobody missed out on fun today.
All right, guys, we are ending the vlog now. That was a crazy day. I have one question for you guys. Right now, today, what would you guys do for the rest of the day if nobody told you no? Comment below. And I think these kids owe their mom a big old thank you. What do you guys say?
Thank you.
Oh, there we go. Hashtag worth it. All right. Okay, thanks for watching the vlog, and we will see you guys tomorrow.